Here's how to manage and display stock for your WooCommerce variations, so customers always know what you actually have available. Go into Products and pick any variable product. Click that Variations tab under the description. All your different sizes and colors show up here as separate lines. Click one to open it up. There's a checkbox called Manage Stock at Variation Level that you want to check. Now, each size or color tracks its own inventory. Instead of sharing one big number, type the actual quantity you have in that stock quantity box. If you've got 12 medium red sweaters, put 12. Simple as that. The low stock threshold is where you set your warning number. Put 3 here, and when you're down to 3 sweaters, you'll get notified. Customers might see a only 3 left message too. Do this same thing for every single variation. Hit update when you're done with each one. Now head over to WooCommerce settings, then products, then inventory. This is where you control what customers actually see. Make sure enable stock management is checked, or nothing you just did matters. The hold stock timer keeps items in someone's cart for however many minutes you set. Prevents 2 people from fighting over the last item. Turn on those notification emails if you want to know when things are running low or sold out. I always do this because running out without knowing is embarrassing. There's an option to hide out of stock items completely. Check it and sold out variations disappear from your shop. Customers can't even see them anymore. Save all that and go look at your product page. You'll see the stock numbers right there for customers. They update automatically when people buy stuff.